Pouring concrete on the Bluffside house this morning. It's a very, very tight site. Got to get the dumpster out of here to make room. Fill all the footings and thicken slab areas first and come back in on the main slab itself. See over here. It's actually the radon vent right there coming up, a 4-inch pipe. All our thickened slab areas through the house, load-bearing walls where the trusses rest, or some sort of point load for a beam, Ziga post, something of that nature. Again, heated shower floors. We do that all the time anyhow. Nothing special. Back view off this lot. Little inversion today, keeping the smog down. Alright, waiting on the rest of the trucks to get here. We're just emptying out this one truck right now. We're going to go into the heated area. Pour all the patios in the garage on Monday, Friday morning, right now. Beautiful, beautiful view up the back of this house. This garage right here. We're rolling into the heated area. Setting anchor bolts. Pouring the heated area now. Alright, here we are. Everything's poured in place. Let it set for just a little bit. Harden up a touch. And we'll start finishing it. Everybody went to go grab a quick bite to eat before the work starts. And we'll pour the back patios, covered area, uncovered area, as well as the front patio and garage on Monday. Looking good.